Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another installment of 5 looks 1 palette. Well, actually today it's more like 4 looks 1 palette using the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Is she beautiful? Yes, we love all those colors. So I'm actually going to do 1 look on each eye, which is kind of what I have right now. So I'll show you 1 look, 2 look, 3 look, 4 look. So make sure to stay tuned, and as always, like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all my latest and greatest updates. And let's get started.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
So I already got started by priming my eyelids using my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair to prime my eyelids. Now let's get started with the colors. So first you're going to want to start off by taking Royal Paint, and that's this guy right here, and just coating the eye.
Baby, don't grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love.
Perfect. Coat the eye. Okay, so then after Royal Paint, we are going to go in with Vivid Mood, and that is like this lilac-y purple. And this one we're just gonna put directly onto the lid and blend it into the pink ever so slightly. Beautiful, yes. Then I'm going to use Blood Queen, and that is the brightest purple in here. And I'm also going to coat this onto the eyelid and blend it up.
Don't you wanna go outside?
Then we're just gonna top it all off with Pink Magic, which is this bright pink, pinkish purple shimmer shade. It's purple, it's not pink.
Don't you let go. Hang it on.
And to get it to set better, because it is kind of a looser glitter, go ahead and spray it with some setting powder. Spray the brush. And then you're going to want to go ahead into the bottom of the lash, and I'm going to use a pop of color, and I'm going to use Vile Serpent. And then go ahead and slap on some eyeliner, and you're all set to go. Okay, so this is the completed eye look of look number 1. Okay, and now moving on to look number 2. So first we're gonna start with Deviant as our transition shade, which is this color right up top.
So go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just go.
Okay, so now that you have coated the eye with some Deviant, we're going to go into Scandal Water. Ooh, Scandal Water. I wonder what the scandal is. Right there. And this one I'm just going to work into the crease.
I don't know when it started.
Perfect. So you get this look going on here. And then I'm going to use Take the Crown right up here. And because this has a little bit of glitter on it, I'm going to spray it with my Jeffree Star Setting Spray Mist.
Sink my teeth into. They want me to live.
Feel so luxuriously. And then I'm also going to take Wet Jewel. So I'm going to spray that as well. And I'm just going to use it at the outer corner of my eye on the lid, and then blend it out like so. It creates like this nice ombre cotton candy feel. At least that's the vibes I get. And then we're gonna go in with a darker-ish shade on the bottom, and we're gonna use Blood Queen again. So that's this one, in case you forgot. It might be my favorite. So now we're just gonna go ahead and complete this look by cleaning it up, putting on some eyeliner, and doing the brows. BRB. Okay, and then this is the complete look for look number 2. on to look number 3. And now we're moving on to look number 3. And we're gonna start off with using Monarchy as our transition shade, which is like this brownish color. And I'm actually going to mix it a little bit with Royal Pain, perhaps. I take all of them. We're gonna go in with Monarchy. It's like a poop brown. It's a little better than poop.
Mistake, 'cause I know what they're missing. The wild side.
Blend, blend, blend. Perfect. So just blend the top like this. And then we're gonna go back in with Royal Pain like we did for our first look. And we're just gonna go on top of the crease.
The wild side doesn't wait sometimes. I'm an animal.
Did you think this was gonna be a light look? No, it's not. We're gonna use Dungeon. This is gonna be kind of more of like a pink, dark, smoky look. And Dungeon is actually not as black as you think. It has a lot of purple to it. And then we're also going to use Dungeon on the bottom of our lash line.
The wild side is a friend of mine.
It's like a glammed up black eye. So then after Dungeon, I don't know about you, but I am just obsessed with how Executioner looks. So pretty. Because it's like not just black, it has like purple sparkles in it too. And we're gonna put that right on top. And we're gonna spray the crap out of our brush because boy does it have fallout. Oh, the fallout's so bad, it's getting in my eye. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and clean this up because trust me, I need to clean up, and then we'll do eyeliner and reveal. And then this is it for look number 3. Okay, and now moving on to the final look, look number 4, Get Pumped. So since this is a very purpley palette, we're gonna conclude with a super purpley look, and we're gonna use Deviant again. This is easily my favorite eyeshadow in this palette. It just blends so nice, it's so pigmented. It's like the perfect lilac shade. Okay, so then after Deviant, we're gonna brighten it up a bit with some Vivid Mood.
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer.
And this purple look just got bold real quick. Finally, we're gonna use we're gonna use some High King, and we're gonna put it right on the lid.
Anything.
This is also the same shade that I'm gonna go with on my bottom lash line.
I'll be your coffee, I'll be your poster child, walking like Jesus when all the stores are closed. You think of drowning.
But of course, now we need glitter, of course. And we're gonna use a little bit of Betrayal. And we're gonna put this on right onto the lid and blend it upwards.
I was here before the start of the storm. It's all around you now, you're coming back. Now you're coming back.
And then we're gonna finish it off with some more glitter using that pink Magic.
You want that glimmer, I should have told you that. Now more than ever.
And now we're just gonna finish off the look with some eyeliner, and we'll be right back. And then this is the finished look for look number 4.
Clips, I can't Valhalla, but I still want everything. I'll be your sweater, you be my wedding wall. Fighting like Gandhi when all the lines are down.
Thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe below. Leave a comment, I'll comment back. And thanks for watching. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.